In this video, we will go over the details of an asset as shown in MxAsset, which is A3J Group's mobile application for equipment operations for IBM Maximo. Okay, so what I'll do here is go ahead and scan again for my asset, find it, and this time I'm going to click on it. This takes me to the detail screen for an asset. On the main tab here, we've got information such as the asset's status, location, serial number, manufacturer, etc. On the second tab, we have a list of spare parts that fit that asset. The third tab, we have a list of meters that are available for that asset, and I can click into each meter and do one of three things. I can create a new meter reading, I can view historical meters, and I can trend those historical meter readings over time. In this case, we'll enter a new meter reading, click the Create Meter Reading button, and you can see as new meter readings are entered, a little green bar appears next to them indicating a recent reading was taken. If I go back to that meter and click the View button, I can see historically meter readings against this asset for inlet pressure. And if I click on the Trend button, you can see those historical readings on a trend chart, which I can then filter by year to date, month to date, week to date, and life to date. The next tab is the Work History tab. This shows a list of work orders that have been written in the past against this asset. I can even drill into the list of work orders to see further detail on the historical work orders. Lastly, we have the Attachments tab that shows any attachments to this asset. In this case, we have a picture of a pump. Thanks for watching this video on A3J Group's MxAsset from the MX Mobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.